Hello everyone and welcome back to 2-Minute English. In today's lesson, we will make your English sound more natural and stronger. Stop saying very all the time and use better adjectives instead. In English, we often say very big, very small, very tired, or very good. But native speakers usually use one strong adjective instead of very plus adjective. It sounds shorter, clearer, and more natural. Let's look at some useful examples. Very big, huge. This house is huge. Very small, tiny. My phone is tiny. Very tired, exhausted. After work, I'm exhausted. Very cold, freezing. I'm freezing today. Very hot, boiling. It's boiling outside. Very good, excellent. You did an excellent job. Very bad, terrible, or awful. The weather is terrible today. Very happy, delighted. She was delighted with the gift. Very sad, upset, or miserable. He felt miserable after the exam. Very interesting, fascinating. This book is fascinating. Listen to the differences. The movie was very good and very interesting. The movie was amazing and fascinating. I'm very tired because it's very hot. I'm exhausted because it's boiling. Can you hear the difference? The second sentence sounds more natural and more advanced. So, today's challenge for you, stop saying very so much and start using strong adjectives. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, subscribe to the channel and write one sentence in the comments without using very.